going somewhere nice. Myra Grace is already smiling, so let's
Do you give your signature smile like this?
So rainy, guys. Can you see that one? Fisherman. Chip na na to. Yan mo. We are going to have photo shoot here, though it is raining. Oh, it's very nice. Hello, guys.